Before you buy a used Toyota Highlander, you need to hear this. Yes, Highlanders are known for reliability. Yes, many last hundreds of thousands of miles, but that reputation doesn't apply to every year. I've personally seen Highlanders with 400,000 miles still driving daily, and others that became money pits far sooner than anyone expected. And if you own a Highlander, let us know in the comments. What year do you drive, and how many models are on it? So today, we're answering one simple question that could save you thousands of dollars. What are the best years for the Toyota Highlander, and which years should you avoid? We'll go generation by generation, explain what changed, what failed, and why some years are still safe buys today. Let's get into it. Number 1. First generation Toyota Highlander 2001 to 2007. Recommended years 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007. The first generation Highlander is remembered fondly, and honestly for good reason. This SUV focused on on-road comfort, not hardcore off-roading, and that decision paid off. What made the first gen special? Unibody construction, independent suspension on all four wheels, simple proven drivetrains, lower ownership costs than luxury SUVs like the Lexus RX. Consumer Reports consistently praised this generation for being roomy, comfortable, and affordable. But let's be honest, not all early years were perfect. Warning year, 2003 Highlander. The 2003 model year is widely considered the weakest of the first generation. Some owners experienced engine bolt failures, serious engine damage, in worst cases, complete engine replacement. That alone is enough to make most buyers walk away. Best first-gen Highlander years. If you're shopping this generation, focus on 2004 and 2005 Highlander. Strong reliability scores, excellent owner satisfaction, fewer serious complaints. 2006 and 2007 Highlander. These are the best of the first generation. Toyota had years to refine the platform, and it shows. Earlier transmission concerns addressed, proven V6 durability, optional third-row seating, car complaints seal of awesome for the 2007 model. Ideal buyer. If you want a budget-friendly, no-nonsense SUV that still has plenty of life left, a 2006 or 2007 Highlander is an outstanding choice. Number 2. Second generation Toyota Highlander, 2008 to 2013. Recommended years 2009, 2011 to 2013. In 2008, Toyota gave the Highlander a major redesign. It got bigger, more comfortable, more family-focused, better safety features, ride quality improved, and interior space increased significantly. But early redesign years often come with growing pains. Year to avoid, 2008 Highlander. The 2008 Highlander had a rough start. It recorded over a dozen recalls, hundreds of NHTSA complaints, airbag and labeling issues. Toyota did fix many of these problems, but if you have choices, there's no reason to start with the worst year. Best second-gen Highlander years. Star 2009 Highlander. Major issues from 2008 addressed. Strong owner feedback, seal of awesome from car complaints, minor easily fixed mechanical problems. Star 2011 to 2013 Highlander. These are the sweet spot years of the second generation. Why? Improved VVTi system reliability, fewer oil leak complaints, excellent safety ratings, proven 3.5-liter V6, one of Toyota's most reliable engines. The 2013 Highlander in particular stands out. Very few trouble spots, minor cosmetic issues only. Toyota had fully ironed out the platform by then. Ideal buyer, families needing space, comfort, and a drivetrain that can easily push 300,000 miles with proper care. Number 3. Third generation Toyota Highlander, 2014 to 2019. Recommended years, 2017, 2018, 2019. This generation brought a big leap in modern design and technology. You'll notice quieter cabin, better materials, improved fuel efficiency, more advanced safety systems. Consumer Reports gave excellent reliability scores across this entire generation, but that doesn't mean every year is perfect. Warning, year to be careful with, 2015 Highlander. The 2015 model received the most complaints of this generation. Common issues included uncomfortable seats, excessive wind noise, and more NHTSA complaints than surrounding years. Nothing catastrophic, but enough to make other years more attractive. Best third-gen Highlander years: 2017 to 2019 Highlander. These are widely considered the best years to buy from this generation. Why? Updated V6 engine, new 8-speed automatic transmission, smoother acceleration, improved fuel economy, Toyota Safety Sense Standard. By this point, Toyota had refined both the drivetrain and electronics. The 2019 Highlander also added Apple CarPlay, which many buyers appreciate. Ideal buyer: commuters, families, and retirees who want modern safety, quiet comfort, and strong resale value. Number 4. Fourth generation Toyota Highlander, 2020 to present. Recommended years, 2021 to 2023. The fourth generation arrived in 2020 on Toyota's GAK platform, designed to improve handling and ride quality. It delivered sleeker styling, better fuel economy, more advanced tech, excellent hybrid options. Warning: launch year caution, 2020 Highlander. The 2020 model year introduced touchscreen glitches, HVAC software bugs, and fuel tank filling issues. Nothing disastrous, but typical first-year redesigned quirks. Best fourth-gen Highlander years: 2021 to 2023 Highlander. By 2021, most early issues were resolved. These models offer excellent reliability scores, outstanding hybrid fuel economy, Toyota Safety Sense 2.5+, modern interiors, and smooth ride quality. Ideal buyer: buyers who want a near-new Highlander with modern tech, excellent safety, and long-term dependability. The Toyota Highlander has earned its reputation the right way, through consistency, simplicity, and long-term reliability. If you maintain it properly, there's no reason a well-chosen Highlander can't serve you faithfully for decades.